Boom! After this video, you will understand how a Loxone system is working. There is the main power line coming. We have 3 phases in Austria. This goes on to the RCD, and there is a dedicated RCD just for the power supplies, 24 volt, to keep the mini server, the main brain, alive. To turn on this 230 volt lamp, can be 110 as well of course, or 24 volt, we need the relay number 1 of the mini server, in this case, to be closed either with the logic with the switch here, or also with the app. In this scenario, I set this breaker here, 230 volt, is going down there onto the relay, and if this one closes, it goes through, so the 230 go through our switch on the second line, and the second line goes up here on my nice terminal blocks. There's another video about them as well, and then going to the lamp here. And now any logic like a motion sensor or the switch or the app can turn this on. There's also time function, so I can say from this time to this time, or even say when the sun goes down, which changes through the year, until midnight, turn the lamp outside on. But how is this push button working now? So we have this cable coming, and we have 24 volt permanent power from the supply here, going on one end of the cable, and if you press the button, it goes from the brown to the yellow white here, and then this one here, the yellow one, goes to this one, and this is connected to a 24 volt input of the mini server. And then in the programming software, I just named the first input which I use for the switch, living room switch, the first relay which I use for the lamp, I label it here as well, so I see them here nicely labeled. Then I made a function block called switch, and I connected the the push button onto the toggle, so the same button turns it on and off as well, like with a remote, one button for on and off, and then the output is connected here on the switch. And this whole function block here creates the whole visualization in Loxone automatically. Super simple, right? But what when it comes to colored lights, dimmable lights, lighting scenes, night mode, so when you stay up at night after midnight that the light is not turned on with the motion sensor, bright but super dimmed. All these cool automatic features will be shown on this channel super fast, so consider subscribing, would be my pleasure. See you then.